Have you ever thought that you can earn $15 per 1,000 views? Don't think. This is real. Now let me show you my earnings in just 1 week. As you can see, I earned about $480 in a week. I also earned about $80 from referrals. If we collect all the profits, we will find that we have earned $520 in just 1 week. Now let me explain to you this terrible method and site, but after the intro. In this explanation, we will explain one main site, which is Kuddy.io. But what is this site? It's a URL shortener like bit.ly. But the difference between them is that you can make money from Kuddy.io while you cannot make money from bit.ly. But before starting the explanation, I hope you subscribe to the channel, activate the notification bell, and write a comment that motivates me to continue. All links that we will use are in the description box. Now, as you can see, if you have an account on the site, click Login. If you do not have an account, click Sign Up. Now, to create an account, you must write your name, email, and a password consisting of 8 digits, and repeat the password. As you can see, this is the interface of the site. But until now, we have not explained how to make profits from the site. Have you ever entered a video and then went to the description and saw a link like this? This is how you win when shortening your link on a site in which the visitor skips some ads, and when he reaches his original link, you get your profit from it. Now let me show you some draws from the site of real people. Click on Payment Proof. As you can see here, you can see all the withdrawals from the site, and as you can see, there are withdrawals an hour ago. Well, I think I'm here to explain the site, but I did not explain the strategy I followed to achieve those profits. Do not worry, I will explain in the next video, and do not forget the link to the site in the description. Goodbye, and do not forget to watch this video, it is good for health.